In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch deposit in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can group multiple bills and move them through as one organized batch. This saves time, reduces errors, and keeps your accounts tidy. Start by opening Xero and heading to your main dashboard. From there, you'll move into the area where bills live because batching happens right from your payable list. Look toward the menu and select Purchases. This takes you into the spending side of Xero, where all supplier bills are managed. Next, choose Bills. This is your central list for everything you owe. It's a good idea to scan the list to make sure your bills are entered correctly and have the right due dates and suppliers. Clean data here will make the batch process smooth. Now filter down to the bills that are ready to go by opening the Awaiting Payment view. This view shows bills that have been approved but haven't been paid yet. Think of it as your final staging area. If something here doesn't look right, pause to check the bill details before continuing. With the Awaiting Payment list open, select the specific bills you want to include. You can pick just a few or many depending on what you're processing today. Be intentional. Choose bills from the suppliers you're planning to include in this run and make sure the amounts and dates align with your plan. Selecting only what truly belongs in the batch helps you reconcile faster later. Once your selections look good, click Make Payment. This tells Xero you're ready to move the chosen bills forward in one go. You're not finalizing individual payments here. You're preparing a single action to handle them together. When prompted, choose Batch Payment and Continue. This groups your selected bills into one batch so they can be processed consistently. Using a batch keeps your records neat and helps you process multiple bills in a controlled, repeatable way. Before finalizing, quickly review the list on screen to ensure all intended bills are included and nothing extra slipped in. If anything looks off, it's easy to go back and adjust your selections. That's it. You've navigated from your Xero dashboard into Purchases and Bills, filtered to Awaiting Payment, selected the right bills, clicked Make Payment, and continued with a batch payment. Follow this flow each time you need to process a group of bills, and you'll maintain clean, accurate records with a lot less effort.